dawn of a new horizon for Africa. Echo Atlantic City is a new vision for Lagos, Nigeria. It's named after the sometimes stormy ocean it lives with. A city that's being built on reclaimed land that was lost to over a century of coastal erosion. But even the worst storm Lagos could expect over 1,000 years poses no real threat to the emerging city. It will be safe and secure behind the Great Wall of Lagos. The Great Wall is an 8-kilometre-long revetment to protect Echo Atlantic and low-lying Lagos from the relentless forces of the ocean. It's being constructed to the highest standard of marine engineering available in the world today. An international team of highly skilled coastal and marine engineers applied physical scale model tests and computer simulations in Denmark to assess its stability under the pressure of extreme wave conditions. The design proved itself beyond doubt. It splits into 12 different layers of rock and concrete, which form this massive structure. Most of the Great Wall lies on the seabed, between 7 and 11 meters underwater. This is where its real strength lies. So the base of the Great Wall is around 45 meters, and the depth is typically 18 meters. Construction begins with the scoop of an excavator arm that's carefully controlled from a digger, swinging a gravel-filled shovel into a defined position over the water. It drops a thin spread of material onto the ocean bed at a depth of around 10 meters. This first layer is a filter that prevents sand on the seabed from moving through the structure. The next step focuses on the placement of what's known as the underlayer for the tow berm and provides support for the additional layers that will follow. The essential rock core component is quarried locally. Here, the process of grading rock to appropriate sizes takes place every day. Once sized, the material is loaded onto trucks for transport to the Echo Atlantic development area. This quarry-run core consists of boulders ranging from fist size to 1 ton, providing a stable body for the main structure. On top of the core, yet more rocks weighing from half a ton to 2 tons in size are put into place by a highly trained operator using a long-arm excavator. Successful rock placement is pivotal to this work and is guided to an accuracy of 10 centimeters using a global positioning system fixed on board the excavator. This rock underlayer provides a solid foundation for the primary armor that comes next, and also prevents vital core material from moving through the wall and being lost to the open sea. Large 2-ton rocks are positioned on top of the tow berm to further stabilize the wall against attack by both wave action and current. It also provides a secure locking system for the first row of acropods that slope above it. The most visible part of the Great Wall of Lagos is known as the primary armor section. In simple terms, it's like a giant jigsaw puzzle of interlocking X-shaped concrete blocks that are called acropods. Each acropod weighs 5 tons, and Echo Atlantic needs 100,000 of them in all. They're manufactured on-site, and every single one of them has to comply with rigorous tests to ensure that the required compressive and tensile strength of all units is maintained before they're loaded and added to the wall piece by piece. Nothing is left to chance. Molded out of a special concrete that eliminates the need for steel reinforcement, they're placed in a predefined XYZ grid. Again, using a GPS system for pinpoint accuracy. On the land side of the rock core of the wall,